Carmichael, and we've got you surrounded. Come on out with your hands up. Nash, let the hostages go.
What do you want me to do now? Deploy them around to the back. Okay, second team, let's move.
So they think we have hostages in here? We're not hostages. You just came in here on your own and passed out and got drunk, and then now we wake up to this? What do we do? Well, I don't know about you, but is there a back door to this place? Yeah, it's right there. Why? When I give the signal, I want y'all to cause a distraction, and I'm gonna go out the back door. And go. Police! Where is he? Where is he?
I'm gonna drink myself drunk. Yeah, you just wait and see. There ain't no damn body in the whole damn bar gonna be as strong as me. I'm gonna honky tonk all night long. I'm gonna get fucked up. Yeah, I'm gonna chew until I puke. I'm gonna drink myself drunk. When I drink, I don't think about nothing but fucking and fighting and drinking more. So I hope that big old bouncer don't end up throwing me through.
We have him in our sights. Take the shot. Take the shot. I've been hit. I've been hit. I guess this is it for Mad Dog. I think this is the end. I guess I'm just gonna sit down here and bleed out. But before I do, I'm gonna have one more beer.